So as you can see, my bike's been put away for the winter. I mean, could ride it. She doesn't like it either. So, but I did want to put together a video for talking about my experience with the crankcase pressure sensor on my KTM 250 XCW TPI. I'll put a little bit of footage together, the before, the after, and you know, kind of what I did, and maybe, you know, where I found the information. Anyways, hopefully it's helpful to you. It was helpful to me, and just wanted to put together and get it out there just for anyone else who needs it. Cheers. So as you can hear there, it really does sound like the bike hadn't been warmed up. But this is 10 minutes into the ride, and yeah, it was warm, and everything was like it should have been running fine. It progressively got worse from there, where it just, you know, really sounded like it was loading up. I tried changing spark plugs and some other things first before, you know, a little research led me to a not uncommon problem of a failure of the crankcase pressure sensor. So, you know, the quick test being to swap the ambient pressure sensor with the crankcase pressure sensor, because they're actually the same part number. So that just to detect if that's what's causing the issue. And my bike immediately ran much better. So it was definitely the problem, as you can see in the next clip. So you can hear it immediately. It's running crisper. The throttle response at low RPMs is really good, and yeah, I just totally fixed it. And with the number of these issues on YouTube that I'm seeing, I'm just so surprised that over the years that this isn't something that has been addressed, you know, across the boards from KTM. You know, you see it Husqvarna's, and the KTM's, all the TPI bikes, they all seem to suffer from this issue where the crankcase pressure sensor just fails. So anyways, quick, easy fix, but why do you want to deal with it? No one does. So I won't have any actual video of the replacement process, but I will include some links to videos in the description for this. So hopefully, yeah, that helps you.